Hey, what's up, Bytebeat coders? Welcome back to Aryan Bytebeat Academy channel. I am super excited about today's video because we are diving into a powerful AI tool called PR Agent that's about to change the way we approach code review. We all know how time consuming and tedious code review can get, right? Imagine you have got a massive pull request with 50 or 100 files to review, and you are stuck going through them one by one trying to understand what changed and why. Well, PR Agent steps in to make this process faster and smarter. PR Agent not only suggests code improvements helping you clean up your code, but also lists out all the files that were changed and explains the purpose behind each change. Think of it like having a super intelligent code reviewer that's on your team 24/7. So let's see how we can use the tool, and then I will explain it again to you. So very first, to use that tool, you just need to open this Chrome window and you just need to write install PR Agent Chrome extension. Actually, this AI tool is available as a Chrome extension, so you just need to write this and you will get this PR Agent AI powered code review and chat. So you will click on this. Here you will get button. Currently actually it is as removed from Chrome because I have already added it to my Chrome. So because you have not added to your Chrome, so here this button text will be add to Chrome. You will simply add it to Chrome from here and you will just restart your Chrome browser for the confirmation of addition of this tool. So once the tool has been added, the next step is to generate a PR. Here I am not covering how a PR is generated. I understand that you all people know how a PR is generated. So here I have my branch stuck in the development. I have written certain code in that. I have made some changes in that branch, and I have just sent a pull request to the master branch. So now we will be using the PR Agent tool for the same purpose. So once the PR tool agent is added to your Chrome browser successfully, you will see this section PR Agent tools available. It means the Chrome extension is working fine for you. So now see the magic how PR Agent tool can make our life easy for the code review and making certain changes in that PR raised. So you will get this window here, start a private chat about this PR. So in this chat you can write your question related to the PR. So like I am writing here, explain the code changes. Explain the code changes. So it will take this PR and explain the code changes for us. Let's see here. It is generating its response. So meanwhile, let me tell you one example. You have got a pull request where someone refactored a bunch of functions. Instead of manually going through and figuring out what is different, PR Agent gives you a summary like functions XYZ were optimized for performance and suggests better ways to handle edge cases to improve readability, less digging and more clarity. This tool is going to revolutionize the code review process by saving tons of time and effort. So you can see the response has been generated. Now I just wrote this string explain the code changes and it has generated this response. The code changes in this PR primarily focus on enhancing the user interface of the Android application using Jetpack Compose. And here is a detailed breakdown of the changes. Like I made certain changes in main activity, and you can see here the magic. It is going very deep in your files. It is even covering the imports. I made some imports. UI utilization, the main activity now initialized the OTP screen instead of the login screen. Yeah, this was change was made by me. Now this OTP screen function is there instead of the login screen. And enter mobile number page has been added there, and it has certain functions like add app logo, add mobile edit text, add continue button, and these are the function I added there. So it is going inside the files. Like you can see, category selection screen, what changes I made there, it has been listed here, and enter OTP screen, so what changes have been made there, and custom components. So I made a file custom components, and I made some reusable custom components there. So those functions also have been listed here. So again I can give it another command to know about the code. Like now this time I want some suggestions from it. Suggest some changes to be made in this PR or code. So I have given this command, and so it is generating its response again. It will take some time to do so. This tool is quite handy tool, and it is saving a lot of time and effort for us, because sometimes we get the PRs that are having that have even more than 100 files. So the response has been generated now. Suggest some changes to made in this PR code. This has been made now. So to enhance the code quality and maintainability of this PR, consider implementing the following suggestion. Code structure and organization. So what can be implemented? Modularize component, use Kotlin objects or utility functions. This is the suggestion. And reusability and consistency, like extract common styles. Like somewhere I have I have written the resources directly in the code, so it is also giving those suggestions that resources should be in string resource file. And error handling and input validation. Yes, there is no input validation currently in that code, so that's why it also appearing as a suggestion. And then performance, what changes we can make. And further, actually there are no comments in the code, so it is also asking for those comments. So these are the some suggestions or changes it is suggesting to us So you can see how revolutionizing is this tool going to be. And let me show you some other uses of this. Like here you are getting a section like describe, review, imports, ask, changelog, docs, analyze, actions, and custom. So some of them are available free, like the actions or the things that are commonly required to us are available free. Like the describe section, if I want to describe this PR, I would select the parameters I want to have, and I will click on this comment. So when I have done this, it will give some suggestions for us. Let me do it again and click on this comment section. So because the PR is have minimum code changes, so it is not giving that much of response to us. But let's use some other thing. Like I want to use this review, and I have added some parameter. I will select some parameters here. It will review for us. So definitely it is increasing the productivity for us. So let me again see in the post, like the response is generated here. You can see here the title, and the implement mobile and OTP screen with UI components, PR type enhancement and configuration changes. And here is the description, like implement new screen for mobile number entry and OTP verification, added a category selection. So what I have done in that PR, this has been listed here, and the enhancements I have made in 7 files. So it will list all the files for you, and the dependencies changes, yeah, I made 2 changes there. Then configuration changes, so there was other.xml file, themes.xml file, and manifest, yeah, there are certain changes made in update main activity theme to full screen. So this was the change that I made in this. And if we talk about in this main activity, implement mobile number entry and OTP screen. In category selection screen, if you again extend it, so you'll get created a new category selection with UI component, added category cards. So whatever I have done, it is listed here for us in the review section. And if we talk about the improvements, so what improvements can be done, so I just need to select certain parameters here and click on the comment. So like emphasize the following, these are the improvements that have been that can be done in the code. So emphasize the following: does the code logic cover relevant edge cases? Is the code logic clear and easy to understand? And is the code logic efficient? So you have just seen the demonstration how this tool is revolutionizing the code review process and saving a lot of time and resources for us, and efforts are also being saved by this tool. Thanks a lot for watching. If you found this useful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions in the comment section below. I can't wait to hear how PR Agent helps you with your code reviews. Keep coding, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video. And I hope you will use this PR Agent tool, and if you are able to use this code in your PRs, you can give me a you can write me in the comment section that you are able to use this successfully. Thanks for watching the video. Waiting for your feedback. Thanks a lot.